Hi, this is Prithviraj from Mitanji. I welcome you all to this video. Today we will see how to add a video slider in Shopify. There are two ways to do it. One using an application and second using custom code. We will see both the methods. So let's get started. First, we will use an application to add a video slider. We are using MIT Sections Pro app because it allows multiple customization fields for us to modify. For example, clickable buttons, changing the title of each video, infinite playing, and many other features. So if I will click on browse sections and search for video list slider, if I'll click on view, here you will find a button called try in editor. It is one of the key features of this app. It allows the store owner to try all the sections for himself, how the section looks and feels. Uh, this he can confirm before committing himself fully. So I'll click on try in editor. I will be redirected to this page. It's a demo store. And if I'll click on add section and I'll select list slider, you will see that a video slider will appear on the screen. Now if I click here on the name of the slider, you will see that I have about 40 different options to customize this slider. So go through these. It allows you to control everything on this slider, so it's really handy. And now if I click on slide, on the right hand side of the screen you will see that it is asking for the URL of the video. So I'll just paste the video URLs one by one. I'll simply have to just paste the video and give a title. I have done so for the three videos in question. So let's click on save. Now let's see how it looks. I'll click on preview. This is how we added a video slider in Shopify using the app. Now let's add a video slider using the custom code. Click on online store. Click on this options. Click on edit code. Under the sections folder, add a new file. I'll name it a file has been created. Now paste this from the link given in the description and click on save. Our code will automatically create the video slider. The only thing that remains is to add the video slider onto the page. So for that, click on online store again. Click on edit theme. Under the template header, click on add section and search. You will see video slider. So this is what our code has created. Just click on the add video button. You can add as many videos as you want. I'll add 3. And to add the video, just click on video and paste the MP4 URL of the video over here. So I'll just add the URLs I have added the URL in all the three videos and I have chosen the option autoplay. So let's click on save and see how this looks. It is saved. Let's click on view. This is our video slider. It looks good, doesn't it? So this is how you can add a video slider using custom code. We have seen both the methods and you have learned how to add video sliders in Shopify. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more similar content. I'll see you soon. Take care and goodbye.